Grace, and this very special set of motorcycles make up the stunning new 2023 Chrome Collection Bonnevilles from Triumph. Now, each model in this limited series features a unique Chrome Edition scheme which is available for 1 year only, where every design detail is beautifully handcrafted to accentuate the features of some of the most iconic Bonneville modern classics. Inspired by a timeless custom look, this distinctive collection of motorcycles comes courtesy of Triumph's state-of-the-art chrome detailing facility, and of course the specialist teams who have spent decades perfecting the process. As you can see, the result is a flawless chrome finish that perfectly showcases Triumph's renowned reputation for exceptional quality, reinforcing its position as the brand leader for modern classics. Together with the thrilling performance, neutral handling and modern capability of the modern classics range, these stunning special editions combine contemporary design with nostalgic echoes of the Bonneville's deep and rich history. So let's take a look, starting with the Bonneville T120 Chrome Edition, which has all of the standard machine's torque-rich 1200cc twin performance, easy handling and signature style, but now with a whole new custom-inspired look. The iconic and distinctive Meriden blue colour scheme is beautifully applied over the unique chrome fuel tank. A Meriden blue accessory fly screen is also available to add colour-coordinated practicality. Classic jet black mudguards, headlight bowl and side panels complete the look with a striking contrast against the chrome detailing, making this a truly special edition of arguably the world's most iconic motorcycle. Moving on to the T120's smaller sibling and the perfect introduction to the Bonneville range, we have the T100 Chrome Edition. With a punchy 900cc twin-cylinder engine, this limited edition boasts a high level of specification and rider-focused technology, along with some very special features. The unique contemporary cobalt blue scheme comes with this beautiful Chrome Edition metal stripe that adds even more desirability to this machine's long list of accolades. Completing the look are these jet black side panels and mudguards. A matching cobalt blue fly screen is also available as an accessory option for this model too. Another bike well loved for its easy handling, high torque, accessible performance and all-round manageability is the Speed Twin 900, Triumph's highest selling modern classic for good reason. And just take a look at this Chrome Edition's fuel tank. The eye-catching metal knee pad infills and chrome detail tank badge really stand out against the rich red hopper paintwork. The tank is elegantly finished with a jet black tank stripe, matching perfectly with the jet black mudguards and side panels, which feature new red and silver graphics. A colour-matched fly screen is also available as an accessory option for this model. Now onto a Bonneville that's become a firm favourite among custom bike builders and muscle bike fans alike, the magnificent Bobber. The Bobber boasts a superior level of equipment, including twin Brembo front brakes, high specification suspension, fat front wheel, and of course its renowned, thrilling and responsive high torque 1200cc twin engine. This stunning Chrome Edition comes with a distinguished and elegant chrome fuel tank with jet black painted overlay and tasteful Triumph triangle tank badging. The sophisticated monochrome makeover extends to the jet black mudguards and side panels, completing the striking new look for this custom icon. A short front mudguard is also available as an accessory option. Moving on to the Speedmaster, powered by the latest generation high-torque 1200cc Bonneville twin engine and built to a premium specification for a comfortable, easy-handling ride, this Chrome Edition takes the already impressive Speedmaster to a bold and beautiful new level. Exquisitely crafted, the Speedmaster's limited edition fuel tank is quite simply a work of art that's accentuated by its eye-catching Diablo red surround. Jet black mudguards, side panels and headlight bowl complete the look, and there's also a short mudguard available as an accessory option. Now let's take things off-road and look at the Scrambler 1200 XE Chrome Edition. The world's only genuine dual-purpose modern classic adventure bike, the Scrambler 1200 XE has a category-dominating level of specification. Powered by the latest generation 1200cc Bonneville twin-cylinder engine and featuring advanced rider-focused technology, this is a thoroughly contemporary machine now with a distinctive new look. This Chrome Edition features a beautiful chrome tank with a classic Brooklands green painted stripe, which perfectly complements the brushed aluminium mudguards and silencer heat shield. Like the other bikes in this collection, the headlight bowl and side panels are finished in a contrasting jet black. Looking next at the Chrome Edition of the Scrambler 900. This versatile bike is powered by the latest generation 900cc twin engine with a unique Scrambler tune. Capable and beautiful, the Scrambler 900 is fast, fun, intuitive to ride and at home on all types of roads. The distinctive Brooklands green scheme is simply stunning, with bold Chrome Edition metal knee pad infills, a classic jet black tank stripe and the contemporary Triumph triangle badge with chrome detailing. This limited edition blends the elegance with rugged off-road attitude, all complemented with its jet black mudguards, side panels and frame cowl. A matching jet black accessory high mudguard is also available, as well as a Brooklands green fly screen. And finally, we come on to the ultimate cafe racer, irrefutably irresistible Thruxton RS Chrome Edition. Powered by the torque-rich 1200cc Bonneville twin engine, the Thruxton RS benefits from Showa big piston forks, Öhlins twin shocks and Brembo brakes, making this the finest handling modern cafe racer bar none. With its striking heritage-inspired full chrome tank with elegant jet black seam, the distinctive Thruxton tank makes for a stunning centerpiece to this very special motorcycle. Completing this Chrome Edition's striking form are matching jet black mudguards, side panels, seat cowl and headlamp bowl, all complemented by contrasting matte silver ice fork protectors. A matching jet black cockpit fairing is also available as an accessory option, which is complemented on all of the models by a dedicated Chrome Edition accessory kit that you can check out on the configurator on Triumph's website. So there you have it, Triumph's beautiful modern classic chrome collection. A unique range of custom inspired motorcycles that showcase Triumph's expert design skills with a new level of exceptional craftsmanship, all of which are available for 1 year only.